What's up guys, it's Brad from Luna. We're in the concrete jungle today and we got a little Sur-Ron riding school video for you. Okay, so the purpose of today's video is just to get you generally up to speed on how to ride these things safe and correctly. So the first thing you want to do is read your owner's manual. I know no one likes reading anymore, but it's a necessary evil. So read that, get your general understanding of how this bike works before you start riding it. Another thing is understanding your brake system. It's really important to know which is the front and back for obvious reasons. If you grab a handful of that front brake when you're going too fast, it's going to end bad. It's a bad day for you. So let's not do that. Another thing is learning how to use your weight properly. Weight distribution is really important on bikes like this. Putting your weight into the pegs and squeezing with your knees. Also keeping your elbows bent. Those are just a few things we're going to be going over today while we're using these cones to show you some proper riding techniques. Okay, so a really important thing that comes on these Sur-Rons is these two different modes. You have EP and Sport mode. EP mode is where you want to be when you're learning how to ride this thing. Don't even think about putting it in Sport mode. Just go mellow, figure out the bike and the way it works. That's going to get you way more comfortable on this thing way more quick. So I recommend that. If you were to listen to me and you're like most people that just get on a bike, you're going to just grab a handful of this Sport mode and go whiskey throttle. These next few techniques are going to help you combat this whiskey throttle, keeping your throttle controlled, and also learning how to brake the right way. So when braking, you want to make sure to apply even pressure to the levers. Not too much, not too little, nice and smooth and controlled. So to get a hang of this, you want to just be going slow first and use your back brake. So just like this. So this next obstacle course is similar to how you get your motorcycle license. It's going to test our throttle control, our brake control, our body positioning, and our steering abilities. Help even more with body control. So those were just a few general safety maneuvers to get you started on this Sur-Ron. Continue to practice those and you'll be out there ripping it soon. Remember to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.